Alright boys, I ain't done one of these in a while, but I'm going to do another wheel cleaning video here for y'all. Got a nice little Dodge pickup truck here with some dirty wheels, but we got the answer for that, people. Let's get to it. See how dirty that is? Watch this. Come on. Just give a nice little coating of some of the Blue Monster here, people. Get it really nice and caked on really good. Hell yeah, there's one down. When we don't hear the next one. Got this one here, not too bad, but I can still make it look a lot better. That's what's great about this stuff. Gonna make these old, dirty wheels look new again. This one here, not too bad. Bring some new life to these old trucks. An 02 model. Look at that one. Whew. That's pretty damn dirty. All right. All right. Now I'll fire up the good old Subi. And it's hard to do this with one hand, people. All right. Hey, now you see it? There you go. Yeah, there you go. Decent. Look at that. Brand new, baby. Get on here to the next one. Bam! Look at that. Nice and clean. Nice and clean. Bam, check. Nice and clean. Last one. All right. Not too bad. Definitely not bad. Looks way better. That looks way, way better. Yeah, sir. All right. See y'all on the next one.